Happy Monday once again, everyone. Bryan Devore, Devore Realty Group, Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices, California Properties. Happy April. It's the second quarter of the year. And so usually this is the time of year when real estate starts heating up. So the best time to sell a home is, and that answer is coming up in just a few moments. But first, let's talk about the latest stats. Right now, we have 3,011 homes for sale in San Diego County, a drop of 51 from last week. 2 weeks in a row, we have fewer homes for sale than the week prior. Interesting. Median list price, $999, $999, no change from last week. 45 days on market is the average, and that's one more day than the week before. Pending sales, 2339, down 42 from last week. Median list price, 880, which is an increase over last week. Average days on market, 24, one fewer day. Months of inventory, big drop to 1.52, was in the 1.7 range, but a big drop. Inventory going down, but closed sales, as we'll see, going the other direction. Here is the total actives and total pendings. Very interesting. This time of year, you don't usually see fewer homes on the market than the week before, but again, 2 weeks in a row that way, and fewer pendings as well. Since last week, we saw 589 homes come on the market. 134 fewer homes came on the market this past week than the week before. Huge drop. Median list price, $925, a drop from last week. New pendings, 423, 39 fewer than last week. Median list price, $895, to drop from last week. Average days on market, no change, 18 days for the ones that went pending in the last week. New pendings listed within the last week, 27. New pendings listed within the last 2 weeks, 214. So 6% of homes are selling in a week or less. Half the homes are selling in 2 weeks or less still. Since last week, we saw 404 homes close escrow. It's a jump of 36 from last week. Median list price, $889,950, a drop from last week. Median sales price, $907,500. It's an increase. And we had seen the median list price being higher than the median sales price last week, but that reversed again. So we're back into that plus category. Average days on market, 22, one fewer day. The least expensive sale was in Vista, $214,500. The most expensive sale back in Rancho Santa Fe, $7,550,000. Here's a chart showing new actives, and you can see huge drop in the number of new listings that came on the market. Not exactly sure why. We'll have to see if next week we have the same or if it was just an anomaly. The drop in new pendings, but the increase in the new closed sales. And here's the chart showing the pricing staying strong, going up, and the median sales price higher than the median list price. Okay, the best time to sell a home is, and this was an article that I read, and I'm going to put this in the constant contact email that I send out each week that has this video embedded in it. And here's why the best time to sell a home is this time, and then I'll tell you what that time is. Median homes during this particular week typically are 1.1% higher than normal. So a little bit of an increase. And when you take a look at what the median home price is, that's a lot of money in your pocket if you're a home seller. And homes typically sell 17% faster during the week than any other time of the year. All right, so what is the best time to sell? It's the week of April 14th through April 20th. That's coming up pretty quick. It's only a couple weeks away. So if you are thinking about selling your home, now would be a good time to give me a call and let's talk about why, or how rather, we can get your home on the market in a couple weeks and get you top dollar in the shortest amount of time. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Don't forget to scan the QR code to track your home's value. If you have any questions, give me a call, send me an email, send me a text. I'm happy to help. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment.
Thanks for watching Monday Market Moment with Bryan Devore. To request a transcript of this week's report, send an email to brian@devorerealtygroup.com.